Welcome home to 1336 East 16th Avenue. Nestled on a quiet tree-lined street in Cedar Cottage sits this spacious two-level half duplex over 1,200 square feet. The front yard can be an extension of your living area, which has been delightfully landscaped. With 2 bedrooms upstairs, 2 bedrooms downstairs, and 2 full bathrooms. The main floor is breezy and bright, with an open floor plan, 9-foot ceilings, and it's anchored by a gourmet kitchen which showcases granite countertops, an island with a breakfast bar, and stainless steel appliances. The living room has a cozy gas fireplace and a bay window with a picturesque mountain view. There is beautiful hardwood flooring throughout, recessed lighting, and radiant in-floor heating. You are in an amazing neighborhood with Charles Dickens Elementary and Sir Charles Tupper Secondary as the school catchments. East 16th is a highly walkable location, only minutes to Commercial Drive, the SkyTrain station, and shopping. Plus, it's only steps to Clark Park, John Hendry Park, and Trout Lake Community Center. City living doesn't get better than this.